This is a demo for lesson 4, exercise 1 in your CATIA V5 workbook. We're going to create that same part, and this is the part number with your student ID as the 4 digits for the X. I'm going to go ahead and create a point at that coordinate. So currently I've already set the name and my name in the second line is the absolute axis. If you don't have an absolute axis, your preferences aren't correct. I've renamed the construction geometry, and I leave it as the part in work object because when I create the point, it should be in the construction geometry. I'm simply going to go to the point feature and key in the coordinates. The default is coordinates, so X will be 5 3/8. So you simply hit 5 plus 3 divided by 8. Hit the tab button and it will calculate 5 3/8 for you, 5.375. For the Y vector, it's calling off for 6 1/4. So that's -6 plus 1/4. 1 divided by 4. Hit tab. What? Oh. Sorry. I'm going to have to do a 6 plus 1 divided by 4 and hit tab and then add a negative sign to the in front of the 6. And the last one is 3 3/16. So 3 plus 3 divided by 16. So it just creates the adds and divides all that for you, and you hit tab. So that's going to be the axis coordinate where this begins. I'll select OK. I have a point at that specific coordinate. That is where the local axis, or now known as the part axis, needs to go. So I'll select this point right there. You can barely see it. I'll just select right off the tree. Make it easy to grab and select OK. So step 1 is to create the local axis. Don't forget to rename it. So make sure you're renaming the feature property called axis system. I always accidentally change the name. So this is going to be local underscore axis. That's how I set up the local axis system.